What if I told you that you could build a full professional website without writing a single line of code? Today, I'm testing an AI platform called YouWare, and honestly, the results surprised me. AI tools are everywhere right now, but most of them are either too complicated or too limited. So today, I wanted to see whether YouWare actually delivers on its promise, building real usable websites with ease. Look at this. I just created this entire professional AI project myself, fast, clean, and incredibly simple. No coding, no complicated setup, just results. Before we dive deeper, a quick shout out to YouWare Credit Care. It's the world's first credit anxiety solution designed to give creators complete peace of mind. If you're not satisfied with the output, you can rewind your action and recover your credits, allowing you to experiment freely without the fear of wasting anything. Now, let's jump into the full experience. As soon as you land on the YouWare homepage, you'll notice its clean, modern, and minimal interface. Everything is thoughtfully designed so you don't feel overwhelmed even if this is your first time using an AI platform. You can easily browse AI tools and website building options without confusion. Each tool comes with a short description and step-by-step guidance, making YouWare extremely beginner-friendly. No technical jargon, no complex setup, just click, use, and create. YouWare also highlights trending tools and latest additions, so you're always up to date with what's new in the AI space. Getting started is simple, just sign up or log in using your Google account. Once inside, the dashboard feels smooth, intuitive, and well organized. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be, making the experience comfortable even for first-time users. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features of YouWare website building. You simply enter a detailed prompt describing the type of website you want to create. As soon as you press Tab, YouWare automatically expands and improves your prompt for better results. Next, you can choose your AI model Gemini, GPT, or Claude. In this demo, we're selecting Claude. YouWare also supports MCP tools integration, allowing you to connect platforms like Figma, GitHub, and more, all clearly listed within the interface. Once everything is set, just press Enter, and YouWare begins building your website. And one more thing, YouWare also offers an affiliate program. You can earn 25% commission by promoting the platform. So if you're a creator or marketer, definitely check that out. Once the website is ready, let's take a look at the final result. The design is clean, modern, and professional. For example, in a perfume website, you'll see smooth hover effects, elegant layouts, and even a winter collection section at the top. There's also an interactive Take the Scent quiz feature, allowing users to discover perfumes based on their preferences, a premium touch. You can view the complete codebase with all files clearly organized and accessible. Through YouBase, you can manage your database directly from the same dashboard. Visual editing. You can instantly modify your website visually. You can change brand names, edit text, replace images, and update product prices all without touching any code. When you turn visual editing off, YouWare asks you to save your changes and everything updates instantly. There's also an AI chat box with a recording feature, allowing you to speak directly to the AI like you're talking to a real developer. You can start and stop recording anytime. By clicking Boost, YouWare enhances visuals, animations, and overall design quality automatically. You can see the files updating live as the improvements happen. There's also an autofix feature. With one click, layout issues and bugs are fixed instantly in real time. Now let's test Credit Care. We click on Rewind, wait for the pop-up, and as you can see, 107 credits that were used earlier are successfully refunded. This feature alone makes YouWare stand out from every other AI platform. Once your project is complete, publishing is just one click away. You can launch your website using a custom domain and make it live instantly. And that's YouWare, a complete AI-powered platform that simplifies website creation, design, and development like never before. What really stands out is how beginner-friendly yet powerful it is. Everything happens in one place. If you want to save time, reduce costs, and build professional websites without coding, YouWare is absolutely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.